Just got a wideband in this thing for my dad and Jamie. Looks like it's gonna be a ripper. It's so dirty. There's a huge smudge right in the middle, man. I'm looking at it. Look at it. Look at the camera. There's a smudge right in the middle. Look at the smudge move.
Dang.
Do you see the smudge over the car?
That is a big old smudge.
Right in the middle. Oh. But we're gonna go ahead and get this busted out, and you guys will probably see me put my side skirts on later. It's gonna be sick. They're right here. They've been hanging out for a long time. All right, so we got the CRX inside. We're gonna go ahead and do everything, drop the engine today with the spacers, and then mount the side skirts. And I need to finish my pedals, and so got a little bunch I need to do. I'm just gonna bust it out. I need a good progress video. It's gonna be sick. All right, so these are our jack stands, because all the jack stands in the building are taken up right now. So those are our jack stands. Pretty kick-ass, honestly. Look at that. They ain't never gonna fall off. Sick. It's like we're at the junkyard. I dig it. We gotta get stuff done. So we got the skirts all ready. WickFab 4-inch side skirts. It's gonna look mean with these things, man. It's gonna look sick. Woo! Dang. Dude, that's epic. Raw aluminum. That fitment though, perfect with the door. Sick. Got the stock fenders on it right now instead of the 3-piece. Just trying to see what things look like. It's good. The other door to start the other side. Got both the side skirts all on. Man, they're looking sick. Super fresh. I'm excited. Look at that. That looks good, dude. Super sick. I think I actually have to move this front bracket out a little bit so it can match the back here, to see how the gap tightens up. So I think I'll bring that out in the front a little bit, just because this fender doesn't have this piece, so I couldn't tell there like I could on this other side. But man, does it look good. I dig it. I really dig it. Alright, so what I need to do now is take these 2-inch mount bolts out, and then this one, and lower this down and put those three spacers in there to lower the whole entire engine down. Alright, so let's do this thing. Got the 2 mounts, the 2 bolts already loose. Just gotta pull out the last 19 and then get this thing out. Get this thing lowered down. And I mean, it still doesn't look too bad like that. Definitely I think I'm gonna lower that side some too, just so it's more even, but I don't know if I have to lower that side as much, because I have quite a bit of spacer in there. So I did have to get quite a bit longer bolts, and they're definitely tight, but I think I'm gonna test fit my hood real quick. So I've got the hood pushed up a little bit right now, so it's not actually on, but it does barely hit still right up top here, but the middle actually cleared now. So this hood isn't Robert's hood. This hood is my VIS SIR hood. So this is the older style VIS Racing SIR hood, but the webbing actually hits, so I just pushed it up over where it held itself on. There we go. Holds itself there. And then, so I could trim this webbing, but I think I'm gonna just lower the side, even it out, and then I think it might fit Robert's hood. For sure though, I'm gonna cut this off. For sure though, I'm gonna be cutting this piece off eventually when I go with my coil unplugged stuff and I change the ECU and I go standalone and all that stuff. I'm gonna need to do the T1 trigger and all that, so I'm gonna have to take that off just so we can run a cam trigger off that point, or notch it at least at the most. So definitely we'll have some more clearance there, but we'll see when we get to that. All right. So it's just me and Emilio left with the final standards. Man, it honestly looks super sick. Super sick. I'm so excited. I've honestly always wanted side skirts, and it looks so rad. So rad. And that I installed them, that's just epic. I'm gonna go fire up my Integra. My battery like just died the other day. It's the craziest thing, just completely fried while I was driving. I know you can't see me, but I want to talk. I'm chilling. But yeah, I was just cruising, and then I came to a park and literally lost lights, everything, and I couldn't even push start the car. It was crazy. It literally just died. Super died. So had to swap out the battery, charged, and honestly I swapped it with a dead one. So then I had to charge it for a bit, and once I got it all charged, everything worked out great. Candy's looking so sick. I gotta get her all cleaned up. I got some door panels for it. I got a LSD and possibly a turbo kit. So I don't know if I'm gonna go that route or if I'm gonna do some other things, but definitely gonna get some upgrades going on my girl. So it's gonna be sick. Can't wait. Gotta get my race car all ready so I can take care of my baby. I mean, I do take care of my baby a lot, but to really show her some love, you know? Give her like a full weekend or something, you know, instead of just a few hours. But for today, this was the video. We got the side skirts all on. It looks sick. It's got the suck fenders on right now. Need to roll them and do some things, check some stuff out, but I like the fit. It looks sweet, and they fit the whole car, so it's gonna be sick. These guys are here kicking ass, putting bushings, energy suspension bushings and everything, and lewd, painting up this thing, and just cleaning it up. It's looking sick. That's where it all is burned and stuff. This looks much better. It's gonna be sweet.
We're not professionals.
That's what these guys are doing. I mean, it's midnight now. I'm just headed home. I'm gonna get the footage and then edit up, but these guys are busting ass. And he had this little piece here, these little pieces here for the radiator to sit on, and he painted all that up. Cut the front mount that we had on here off because it didn't fit with the turbo setup, but we had it there because we originally were gonna just get it running, but then we made some deals and he got my turbo stuff that I used to have, and I got the whole interior and stuff of the EG that I got, so it's pretty sick.
Hey, bro.
Oh, he's got the timing cover. Heck yeah. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.